Welcome to our guide, Introduction to Cryptocurrency for Beginners. So, what is cryptocurrency? Well, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of money designed to be secure and, in many cases, anonymous. It operates independently of a central bank and uses cryptography for security. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of others, including Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin.
All right, so how does it work? Let's break it down. First, we have blockchain technology. Most cryptocurrencies operate on a technology called blockchain. A blockchain is a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This ensures transparency and security as every transaction is visible and unalterable. Next, we have decentralization. Cryptocurrencies are typically decentralized. This means they are not controlled by any single authority like a government or financial institution, making them immune to government interference or manipulation. And finally, there's mining. New cryptocurrency coins are usually created through a process called mining. Mining involves solving complex mathematical problems to verify transactions on the network. This process requires substantial computing power and energy.
Getting started with cryptocurrency can seem daunting, but it's actually quite straightforward once you know the basics. First, let's talk about wallets. To use cryptocurrencies, you need a digital wallet. A wallet can be an app, software, or hardware device that stores your private keys, the secret codes that allow you to access and manage your cryptocurrency. Next, buying cryptocurrency. You can buy cryptocurrencies on exchanges, which are platforms where you can trade digital currencies for other assets, including traditional money or other digital currencies. Popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Finally, storing your cryptocurrency securely is crucial. Hardware wallets, which are physical devices like USB drives, provide a secure option as they are immune to online hacks. On the other hand, software wallets include desktop, mobile, and web-based versions, but can be more vulnerable to attacks.
Let's dive into the pros of cryptocurrency. First, decentralization. It reduces the risk of central point failure, which can make the system more robust and secure. Another advantage is low transaction fees and speed. Cryptocurrencies are often cheaper and faster for international transfers compared to traditional systems. Also, cryptocurrencies offer a higher degree of anonymity and privacy for users, which can be very appealing to many people.
Now let's discuss the cons. One major downside is volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can be highly volatile, leading to large gains or losses. There's also the issue of regulation. The lack of regulation can lead to security issues and fraud, making it a risky investment for some. Lastly, complexity. Understanding and using cryptocurrency requires learning, which can be a barrier for newcomers.
Cryptocurrencies represent an exciting and rapidly evolving technology that has the potential to reshape various industries. As with any investment, it's essential to do thorough research and understand the risks involved. Start small, educate yourself, and explore this new frontier with caution and curiosity.